Dear students, so today we are going to discuss inverse of a matrix by Gauss-Jordan method. What does it mean? So we are given a matrix A, which may be 3 by 3, 2 by 2, 4 by 4, whatever may be. Normally we are given 3 by 3. So number of rows 3, number of columns 3. So 3 by 3 matrix. So for the matrix, we are going to find its inverse, A inverse. How to find inverse? Using Gauss-Jordan method. Are you clear? So we are given a matrix A, it is 3 by 3. Find its inverse, that is A inverse, using Gauss-Jordan techniques, okay, in numerical methods. So normally we are given a matrix A and then its identity, corresponding identity 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So normally we are going to start right like this, the matrix along with its identity, okay. The final will be like this, identity come first and then inverse comes second place. Very clear? So see this, the matrix right first place and then identity right the second place. So after using the techniques of Gauss-Jordan, the final will be identity come first and then inverse will be the second place. So this is the result. This is the result of the given matrix A. Very clear? So how this is happened? How this is happened? Using Gauss-Jordan techniques. So normally Gauss-Jordan means the given matrix will be a upper and lower triangular. Are you clear? Upper and lower triangular matrix. It means diagonal only exists the value, that is 1 1 1. Are you clear? So what does it mean? Gauss-Jordan, the result of Gauss-Jordan will be the given matrix will be identity. It may be identity. It means lower and upper triangular. So we are going to convert the given matrix into lower and upper triangular, and then the diagonal may be exist. Only we can allow 1. So it is called identity matrix. Okay. So we will see later. So the first problem, using Gauss-Jordan method, find the inverse of the matrix A. So we are given 2 2 3 first row, 2 1 1 second row, 1 3 5 the third row. So see the problem, see the matrix. Okay, this is non-symmetric. This is non-symmetric. So using Gauss-Jordan techniques, we are going to find its inverse. Okay. Now, so already as I told you, A identity. So like that I am going to write here. So this is the given matrix. So this is identity for this corresponding identity 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is the initial step. Now we are going to start Gauss-Jordan technique. So what is we are going to do here? The row, first row, I am going to divide by 2. So why I am choosing this? These are the techniques. This is the way we are going to reduce the given matrix into upper and lower triangular matrix. Okay, are you clear? So we can take column wise or row wise. Normally we have taken row wise. We are going to modify the rows. It may be multiplied by any constant, maybe 2 3 4 5 6, whatever. According to the problem, we are going to take the constants. Maybe add or subtract or multiply or divide, whatever may be, which is the correct techniques apted to the step we are going to select. So okay, we can allow to do multiply, divide, add, subtract, whatever may be, which is the technique apted to the corresponding step. So let us take. Okay, so here I am going to take first row. I am going to divide by 2. So this is the first row, divide by 2 throughout the first row, 2 by 2 it will be 1. 2 by 2 it will be 1. Already we are given 3, so divide by 2 it will be 3 by 2. So 1 divide by 2, 1 by 2, 0 by 2 0, 0 by 2 0. Are you clear? So the first row will be like this after the using the techniques of R1 by 2, and then keep the second and the third row right as it is. There is no change in second and third row. Only change occurred in the first row. I can use the rule R1 divided by 2. Okay, now the next rule, keep the first row right as it is. 1 1 3 by 2, 1 by 2 0 0 right as it is. Why I am not applying any conditions in first row? Already it will appear 1. Very first place I need 1 only, not more than 1. It is not allowed to here. So 1 is very very essential. The 1 is the required element for this place. Okay, so don't change this one, because already as I mentioned you, so this is identity. The result of the given problem is identity come first. Identity means 1 come first, so the second step onwards we are start with 1. So don't change this one hereafter. So keep it 1 as it is. So we are going to modify this place. We can allow to modify, but this place we cannot modify because identity start with 1. So already here exists the value 1. So don't change. So please remember. So we can change this 2, this 1, this 3. It will be 0 only, because upper and lower triangular, the diagonal only exists 1 1 1. All the values will be 0 only allowed. Okay, then only it is called identity. Otherwise it may not be called as identity. So 1 is exist already. So keep it 1 as it is. We may change it. This place. Okay, now the second thing, I am going to apply the second row, that is R2 minus 2 into R1. This is the correct rule for this place. Other than this rule we cannot quickly reach this answer. So that I am taking R2, keep R2 as it is, R1 as it is. The R2 will be R2 minus 2 into R1. Okay, so now I can do it here. See this. This is R1. This is R2. 2 1 1 0 1 2. I took this R2. See this place. 2 1 1 0 1 0. This is second row. So I have taken here R2 2 1 1 0 1 minus 2 into R1. R1 I have taken here 1 1 3 by 2 1 by 2 0 0. Just doing multiply and subtraction. That's all. Very very simple. So first one write as it is. R2 write as it is. There is no change. Minus this 2 goes to inside. So that means multiply by 2 all the elements. So 2 into 1 2, 2 into 1 2, 3 by 2 into 2 to cancel, 3 only exists. And then 1 by 2 into 2 to cancel, 1 will be exist. And then 0 0 0. Now I have taken here the corresponding elements only. I take this first element. Similarly for the second I take the first element. Are you clear? Only corresponding elements can be modified. So we cannot change the not corresponding elements. So please remember, only we have taking corresponding elements. Here first element, and also we are going to concentrate on the symbol. Here plus 2, here minus 2, the result will be 0. Here 1, and then here minus 2. Are you clear? The second element 2, but we are going to take the symbol also. So 1 minus 2, it will be minus 1, and then 1 minus 3. So the answer is minus 2, and then 0 minus 1. So the answer is minus 1. 1 minus this 0. So the answer is 1. 0 minus 0 0. So this is resulting R2. So I'm going to apply this R2 here, this place. Okay, so this is the previous matrix R2. After applying the rule, so we are getting this. Are you clear? Okay, now what is going to the next one? The next rule, the third row will be R3 minus R1. So I'm going to clarify here, R2, R3 minus R1. So this is R3 minus R1. So simplify this. I am getting 0, 2, 7 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1. Only corresponding elements only we have considered. So this is the third row. So see the previous iteration and then current iteration. So this is the way you have to check. So the previous iteration 1 2 1 1 1 3 3 by 2 1 5 1 by 2 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay. Our aim, this identity goes to this side. This will be go to this side. This is our aim. So for that we are going to apply the rule like R1 will be R1 by 2, R1 will be R1 by 2, R2 will be R2 minus 2 R2, R3 will be R3 minus R1, like that. So why we are choosing this kind of techniques? So the first term will be must be 1, the second term of the second row of the first value must be 0, the first term of the third row will be also 0. Okay, and then here 1 3 by 2 2. So now we are going to move the next level. This one, this 3 by 2, this minus 2, this 2, this 7 by 2 must be 0, and then this will be plus 1. Already we have minus 1, so we are going to modify this minus 1 into plus 1. This 7 by 2 will be plus 1. So what are the techniques we are going to apply the next level? Okay, now next level, keep the first row as it is. See this iteration and this iteration are the same. Am I correct? So there is no change, there is no modification occurred in the first row. The modification occurred on the second row. Okay, now the second row will be R2 divided by minus 1. So I am going to apply divide by the second row by minus 1. So in our what will happen? 0 by minus 1, 0. Minus 1 by minus 1, it will be 1. Minus 2 by minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 by minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 by minus 1 minus 1. 0 by minus 1, 0. 0, 2, 7 by 2, 1 by minus 1 by 2, 0, 1. So this iteration, the first row and the third row, there is no change. The only change occur in the second row. What are the things in the happening in the second row? Minus will be plus, plus will be minus. Okay, are you clear? Why we are choosing this technique here? We are going to the final iteration. The first matrix will be identity matrix. Identity matrix means there is no negative value, plus 1. So the previous iteration we have minus 1. So it cannot be allowed for the identity matrix. So that I am going to modify this minus 1 into plus 1. How to modify? Divide by minus 1. So I have done here R2 divide by minus 1. It will be like this. Okay, next level. Okay, this. So now the second row write as it is, there is no change. Okay, so 0 1, the first two terms there is no problem. There is a problem in the third one, 2. So after we are going to change the 2. So how to apply the techniques and how to change the 2 into 0. Okay, we will see later. Now go to this first row. First row will be R1 minus R2. So this is R1 minus this is the second row. Okay, so now I simple way I am going to subtract these two things. So we will reach this one, 1 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 1 0. I am going to substitute instead of the first row, 1 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 1 0, and then the second row write as it is, there is no change. And go to the third row will be R3 minus R3 minus 2R1. So what is here? Keep R3 as it is and then minus 2 into R1. So 2 into R1. So here I have written here R3 2 into sorry 2 into R2. This is 2 into R1. Okay, correct. This is 2 into R2. Okay, I have written here. See this. This is the second row 2 into R1. And then write the second row as it is. Multiply these 2 into inside of the elements. So multiply and then I will get this. This is elements. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 0. So I am going to substitute here. 0, minus 1, R2. Here. 0. What is it? So okay, this is R3 0. Oh sorry, this is 0 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 2 1. So R3 will be this is 0 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 2 1. Okay, so this R1 and R3 can be changed according to the rule. R2 keep as it is. Okay, now go to the next level. Similarly here R1 and R2 keep as it is. The R3, the third row will be multiplied by minus 2. So minus 2 into 0, 0. Minus 2 into 0, 0. Minus 2 into 1 by 2, minus minus plus 2 into 2 by 2 cancel. So we have only 1. Similarly minus 2 into minus 5 by 2, minus into minus plus 2 2 cancel. We have only 5. Minus 2 into 2. So we will have minus 4. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. This is at the next level. See this place 1. See this place 1 1 1. So identity matrix partially occurred 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. The only problem occurs on the two places minus 1 by 2 2. If these two places will be 0, there is no problem. We will reach the identity matrix. So see the next level what will happen. So the first row will be R1 plus R3 by 2. R1 plus R3 by 2. So I am taking these two things R1 and R3. So I have got 1 0 0 2 minus 1 minus 1 and go to the next one. R2 implies R2 minus 2 into R3. So this technique I am going to apply for the second. So it will be 0 1 0 minus 9 7 4. 0 1 0 minus 9 7 4 and then the third row will be as it is. See this please. Students, see this place. This iteration 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is identity matrix. This is IA inverse. So we have reached like this. Identity along with A inverse. So this place, this represent inverse of the matrix given matrix. A inverse equal to right this one. Okay. This is the required inverse matrix for A. So this is a way we can find A inverse. So listen, I repeat, we are given A, we are going to write with A along with identity. So that particular A modified into upper and lower triangular of the matrix using Gauss-Jordan techniques. Technique means row, we are going to consider only rows R1, R2, R3. It may be add, subtract, multiply, divide. So which are the techniques adopted by the situation? We are adapted the techniques. Okay, are you clear? So using that, so finally we are reached this place I along with the inverse. So this is the required inverse of the given matrix. So see the problem. If you have any doubt, comment. You can put the doubts in the comment place and subscribe this video. Share this video to your friends. If you like this video, so put like. Thank you.